Hi, my name's Sarah Rickards and I'm the owner of Well Embroidered. Today I'm going to be doing a short demonstration on how to apply felt padding ready for gold work. I've secured in the fabric a single strand of Gutermann's in number 415, so a colour that closely matches that of my felt padding. And I'm going to begin by just popping a couple of pins in the top and bottom of the felt just to hold it in place. Then I'm going to bring the needle up at the point, through the fabric, and then down into the felt padding, like that. Come up about 1 centimetre away, again come up in the fabric and down in the felt padding. I can take that pin out now because we've got a couple of stitches holding it in place. So first things first, I need to just do some holding stitches around the shape just to stop it from moving. These can be about 1 centimetre spaced apart. Take that pin out. When you do your stitch at the point, make it slightly longer, and that helps to prevent the felt from fraying out. Your other stitches can be about 1 to 2 millimeters in length. Don't make them too short, otherwise they won't catch enough of the fabric, the felt. But they don't need to be too long either. I'm keeping the stitches at 90 degrees to the edge of the felt. Once you have all the stitches to hold it in position, we then want to go around and fill these gaps. So now I'm going to space my stitches every 3 mils apart. And you'll notice as well that when I bring my needle up, I try and bring it up straight, and when I take it down, again I'm keeping it straight. This helps to keep the felt in exactly the same position. If I was to start angling my needle now, for example, I'll show you. If I was to start angling it in like that, it's eventually, if you do that with enough stitches, it's going to push the felt over. So by keeping it straight down like that, you help keep it in the same position. And although this felt padding is actually going to be covered, it's still important to do a really nice neat job of it. Because if you can get this padding nice and neat, when you come to apply the gold over the top, it'll make life so much easier. Put another little stitch in there. It's a little bit of a big gap otherwise. And on to the other side. Once you've finished applying the felt, you can finish off your thread, and it's fine to do this in the felt padding, 3 small stitches, and bring the thread up to the front and cut it off. Like that. And there you have it, how to apply felt padding.